This year challenged our notions of normal. This happened in all walks of life, while it took us time to get adjusted to the new normal. It also taught us to embrace technology with open arms. Club service. We began this year with attending the first ever online pet set programs over Zoom in the month of April. To boost the morale of Gargi members during strict lockdown, we ran a 7-day photo challenge online. This gave opportunity to each members to share their creativity with others. Team 2021 was installed by DG Sangram Patil in the presence of First Lady Utkarsha and AG Suhas Kulkarni and Gargi members. Rotarian Kavita Nair, along with her daughter and aides of Rotarian Gayatri Menon and Rotarian Mamta Zawar, presented Ganesh Vandana at the installation. New members, along with seniors, attended the district membership seminar addressed by Shekhar Mehta. In the month of December, during our first physical meeting, Gargi members celebrated with a musical evening. Gargis were given handmade purses as birthday gifts. Founder President Shobha Tavde was unanimously voted to be nominated for DG 23-24 by all members. To ring in the new year, a family trip was planned to Ugar Sugar Factory. Vocational service. We celebrated Doctors' Day by appreciating Kolhapur Medical Association as COVID warriors for their tireless service to patient care during COVID. Rotary Club of Gargis participated in the opening of digital studio of NGO Swayam Siddha. We had donated equipment for them. We sourced face masks from Bachat Gat women so that we could support their livelihood during these difficult times. Trainer Purnima Patil took classes on spoken English with industry workers to improve their chances of employability. Rashmi Kulkarni introduced the concept of redesigning gold jewelry to Gargis, where we could either relook at our unused jewelry or make it modern. Organic farmer and entrepreneur Monica Mohite shared her knowledge of farming with aspiring farmers to take zero budget care of plants. We collaborated with Dori Handlooms to support Vocal for Local and buy gifts for Gargi members, where local women made small purses for us. Gargis celebrated Vocational Service Month by doing an industry visit to the Ugar Sugar Factory and Distillery. Community service. We began the year with blood donation camp in collaboration with Kolhapur Medical Association, and 70 bottles of blood were collected. Rotary Club of Gargis also helped the COVID-19 hospital setup in Kolhapur by donating medical equipment. To celebrate Adhik Mahina, Gargi members donated food for the orphans of Avni Foundation. Rotarian Trishala Gandhi donated old clothes for the homeless women of Ekti Foundation. We celebrated Navratri by Shlok Patan with students of Arpanam Shlok classes. In October, Gargis sponsored a fellowship meet of Probus Club with the elders celebrating their birthdays together. Gargis celebrated Diwali by distributing farar to the children of Shawadi village. We honored Guardian Minister Satej Patil as COVID warrior for his relentless social work towards the community. Youth service. Gargis conducted an online webinar on responsible parenting during COVID times for parents of school children. We also conducted an online webinar on mental well-being and personality development for mental health during COVID. Maitreya Interact Club was installed online in the presence of DG and DICC. Gargis hosted zonal level Interact quiz along with Rotary Club of Kolhapur to celebrate Interact Week. We also hosted the semi-final and final district level Interact quiz. International service. Rotary Club of Gargis participated in patriotic song competition conducted by Rotary Club of Mapsa and won the Best Video Presentation Award. We also participated in Bestie for Restie competition conducted by Rotary Club of Hubli Central, where our member Mamta Zawar won the consolation prize. We showed our presence in the global event WJM program on 24th October 2020 on World Polio Day. Rotary Club of Gargis conducted SAS competition where members from 5 Rotary districts participated in the competition along with more than 75 and innovative members. Literacy. Rotary Club of Gargis co-hosted the Saksharta Teacher Training District event on the 8th of September. We hosted teacher training online workshop for more than 100 teachers on the topic of value-based education by Rajyogi Mrityunjayji. Rotary Club of Gargis awarded 16 teachers with the prestigious Nation Builder Award to appreciate their contribution to the society. We also donated around 1,000 books to the Mukt Sainik Municipal Library for students appearing for competitive exams and senior citizens interested in reading. Hygiene and sanitation. Rotary Club of Gargis conducted a session by Dr. Neeta Narke on Corona Myths and Facts, where information and precautions about COVID-19 and healthy sanitary practices were discussed with school children. We distributed face masks and sanitizers for club members during our installation to ensure their safety and hygiene. For Diwali, N95 masks were distributed for staff of SB Resellers Private Limited and Synergy Green Industries. Health. To celebrate the National Sports Day, our member Saroj Shinde conducted a talk on health benefits of marathon. Immunity booster from Canary Mutt was distributed to more than 500 staff members of SB Resellers Private Limited. COVID preventive medicines were donated to Maharashtra Police with Rotary Kolhapur movement. Dr. Shriya Gadve addressed the interactors about the importance of diet and reduction of the intake of sugar, salt and oil. Dr. Josna Deshmukh addressed the girls of Maitreya Interact Club about menstrual health. She spoke about the need to normalize it in the society. Environment. Rotary Club of Gargis planted medicinal trees in a local garden on the very first day of our tenure. We conducted a photo challenge competition to make the members aware of the impact of the nature and importance of conservation. We also collaborated with other NGOs in Kolhapur to remove nails from the trees to appreciate the emotions and feelings of the trees as living beings. We donated wood from already felled trees to the municipal crematorium in Kolhapur. Public image. Rotary Club of Gargis conducted Sargam, a multi-district public image fellowship event that had participation from 6 Rotary districts and 100 non-Rotarians. DGs from 3170, 3132, 3142, 3131 attended the event and addressed the non-Rotarians. Here are some of the media coverage that our club has received.